secured the goods, y'all. YSL has definitely brought it this season. So I had my eyes on these Saint Laurent pumps for a minute. They have so many variations. YSL is really killing it right now. The colors, the pointed toe pumps, the fabrics, just the looks. Unbox these shoes with me. Do you see this artwork? This is a minimal shoe, but the framing of this, the arch, everything is just chef's kiss. Just the little small details of color, everything. I could have wore these with what I have on for sure. Let's open the other ones. I'm obsessed with these black ones. I'm like a kid in a candy store, y'all. It's a work of art. I love shoes like a fat kid loves cake. Don't cancel me for that. Detail of color here. This exaggerated point. Oh my goodness. Listen, listen. Hello, Barbara. This is Shirley. Saint Laurent. Y'all really did y'all thing with these shoes because baby, oh my, come on y'all. You know what, recently someone just told me that I did not need to buy any more shoes. Who? Like what? How can you say that to me? Like how can you say that to me? Companies need to stop making this. Like, don't put that on me, put that on them. I have to put these on. You know what? You know what I just thought about? This, I just bought another YSL shoe from this season in this color. Hold up. Let's open these. Wow. Guys. Oh my goodness. Guys. Do I keep these? Because I'm damn sure not getting rid of these. What do I do? You guys think? Do I keep this? Do I keep both of them? Let's just try all of them on, basically. For this type of pointed pump, they are fairly comfortable. But then again, I haven't worn them out yet. But this toe box here is not cramming my toes. Do you guys think I need to keep these? Simple of the simple. No, not bad. What do you guys think?